Hey YouTube family, it's your girl right here, aka Lilcutenurse. I'm back. How y'all doing? How everybody doing? I hope everybody's blessed. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope you guys' family is safe. I was only gone 14 days. I'm not even gonna go all into it, but I'm home, which I think was the best decision for me and my health. And I just hope everybody doing good. How y'all doing? I got my confetti collection box and a whole lot of more boxes, y'all. Y'all might see me a couple of times in the same outfit. I'm still waiting on my BoxyCharm boxes. I have not, well, I received the premium box today. So I'm just going to kind of hold off so I can do the premium and the regular box together. That way, you know, y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. But I'm going to definitely put this confetti box up next. Well, right now. So y'all probably see me again because I still got to let y'all know about my tea box. All this stuff, you know. Oops. So anyway, this is the April confetti collection box. I don't know if you guys, you know, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Hey, thank y'all for coming over, checking out your country girl. That's what it is. It's just who I am. It ain't gonna change. You know, if you didn't like me initially, you probably won't like me later on. But if you still do, keep on watching because I'm still gonna keep being me. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But yeah, let's open this up. The confetti collection is a bi-monthly subscription box, and it's not makeup at all. It's more like gifting stuff or things you would get in a gift store for wrapping cards. I mean, I think it's a great box because I spend so much myself on makeup. It's just nice to get a different kind of box. And this box is $19.99 a month, and everything in this box that I have received up until this point, because this is a box I haven't opened yet, is usable and has always been usable. So, oh, I see something I like already. This is how it comes packaged. It's, y'all know what it is. It's always nicely packaged. Usually full of confetti, but look like they limited the amount of confetti this time, which I'm not mad at. So, y'all know this is where I can't talk. I'm eyeballing this because the first cup I got was a tin cup, and I'm still blown away by that cup. But yeah, this is everything else. Oh, there's a little bit of confetti, but not a lot. Let me just get this out so we don't have to ramble and ruffle through it. I mean, their packaging is always so nice. You can even use the tissue paper from the packaging for gifting. I mean, I really do like confetti collection. I really, really do. So y'all know what I want to open first. The first thing I see, did I say it was $19.99? Yeah. Really good price every other month. So I'm down with this cup already. We can just say, just throw a, ooh, yes. Bloom, baby, bloom. Ooh, y'all, is this not a wine cup? I don't know. You can put whatever you want to put in here, but I can see me feeling it, making me an adult sippy cup with wine in it. This is what the cup looks like up close. That's the top. I like this. I love it when they put, this is only the second cup I've gotten, and I've been doing these since mid last year. And like I said, the other one was a tin cup. This is not glass. It's like one of those really hard plastics, and I'm happy for that because glass I will break. So yes, bloom, baby, bloom. It's got to be spring, and this has got to be the theme because everything in the past, as far as these boxes, everything is related to each other. Everything is themed. So I'm really ready to get into this one. Okay. All right. This is what we have. This is how it looks out of the tissue. Let me get this off. It says confetti collection. Write it down. A journal for your desk and one to carry with you. Use them to capture your dreams, goals, and moments of gratitude. We love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use this hashtag, hashtag confetti collection box. Haha, this is what it is, y'all. ConfettiCollection.com if interested. And if you work in an office, or I think this would be perfect for me. I use it for all my notes, my note taking, and gifting to co-workers, my boss. I think this was a great idea. I'm going to go with the first two things that I see because I don't know what they are, but they are so cute. This is what the little boxes look like. I don't know what they are. Gift card holder. Okay, let's see. What is inside? How do I get in it? Ah, okay. That's what these boxes are. If you give somebody a gift card, these boxes are the perfect gift giving. That is so neat. You see, the ideals are just insane. You get two of these little boxes to give as gifts. If you give somebody a gift card as a gift, this is what you would put the gift in. That is so neat. Versus a regular card or just sticking it in a card, you can put it in a little gift giving box. This is a great idea. Super, super, super great idea. Okay, the next thing I see in here is ceramic magnet frames. Oh, wow. I can put my grandbabies. I will. Not at the desk because I'm not in an office job. Y'all know that. But let me let y'all see. That's what they look like. It's two magnet frames. I will put them on my refrigerator. And if I was in office, I could stick these at my desk. They got two magnets in the back. This is what the frames look like. Oh, that is neat. This is so neat. And they are ceramic. Feels like glass. And those are the magnets. I really like this box. This box here is nice, nice. Or you could give it to someone at the office, or if you work at the office, to someone as a gift. For me, I'm putting those right on my fridge with my little babies, my grandbabies in there. Okay, I gotta put it back neat, y'all. I gotta put it back neat because I'm the most unorganized, and this is really helping me stay organized. The next thing I see in here is life is lovely. Let's see what this is, guys. Is it a mini journal? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look at this. That's exactly what it is. A mini, small journal or bill book, or can y'all see that's what it looks like? That is nice. Directly in my purse. For me, not so much a journal, but my grocery list, y'all, and put it in my purse, and I won't forget a list of things that I meant to go pick up. So probably I'll put, more than likely, my list of things that I need to get while I'm in the grocery store and drop it in my purse. This is nice. I like this. I like everything in this one so far. This looks like, oh, it is a magnetized, just a magnetized notepad for if you, again, in office or at your desk, or if you just like taking notes, or sticking it to your refrigerator, because it's a magnet on the back to leave notes for the family, for the kids. Perfect, perfect. The next thing I see in here are birthday cards. Okay, a set of three birthday cards. The first one just says happy, happy, happy. And the next one says happy birthday. And then the last one just has candles for birthday. Now this is awesome. My ex would have to, actually, he would love these because cards is like a thing of their family. If you didn't give me a card, you ain't give me nothing. I don't care how big the gift is. They tearing through the gift, through the packaging, looking for the card. And I say they because that's his family. That's crazy. But yeah, birthday cards. I like these. And I like this one. The first one the best. The one I didn't open because it has like a hanging happy birthday sign. I think this is really worth the $19.99. And this I saved for last because I don't know what it is, but I was eyeballing it and knowing it would be my favorite thing in this box. So let's rip into it. Y'all, I am loving this confetti collection box. If this is what I think it is, and it is a huge hardback journal. This is what it is. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. For daily journaling. And I'm going to start using this today, documenting back from the first day that I left the assignment to the day I came home and forward, because these are times that we really need to keep note of and memories of each day, because these days are hard, but we're going to make it through, y'all. We're going to make it through this. Okay, y'all, that's the end of my confetti collection box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am truly loving this subscription box. If you're just tired of getting everything makeup and you want to get something that's useful, something that you can actually use, I would say confetti collection box is the way to go, guys. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.